Welcome back to Everyday Barbecue, everyone. My name is Mike, and today we're going to do a triple bacon brisket smash burger. Sounds like a good enough name. I really appreciate having you here. If you haven't subbed yet, hit the button down there. Please support me. It's totally free. Leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up. All those things can help. I really appreciate it. And I will have a link down below for other ways you can support the channel if you're interested. So I was on a live stream about a week or two ago, and there were some younger channels. I don't want to say smaller because, you know, small now, they could pass me up next week. I mean, the way the algorithm works, who knows? So they think I'm a large channel, which I find hilarious, but whatever. Anyway, these are newer channels, and a lot of these people I don't know, some I do, but because they're all in this collaboration, I want to name all of these here for you, and I'll have links down below so you can check out their channels. If you like what you see, hit that sub button, show them some love. Okay, so we've got 805 Barbecue Junkie, Sleeper Barbecue, Salt, Pepper, and Fire, TPC Cooks, my boy Kent over at Daddy Dutch Barbecue. Hey Kent, go Cubs go, but the Packers suck. Grill and Smoke, Everett Barbecue, Cookin' and Barbecuing, Trumpet Master 77, Starving Pig, Rick's Barbecue and Specialties, Madwood Barbecue, and T-Roy Cooks, I hear, might take part in this. You all know who that is. Now, let's get into this cook. We're going to be doing this burger here on the Blackstone Griddle. It's been a while since I showed this some love. Reason for that is my porch here has been under construction. We had it restained. We are still waiting for the new screen to be put back on. But it's a mess. There's stuff everywhere. I won't lie. I even had to move this whole griddle just to get everything here to where I could film without you guys seeing too much of a mess. Okay, all that said, let me just start this cook. I'll go through the ingredients as we put this thing together. Okay, so just to let you know, I've got the 3 burners here on this side on high. The far right one is off. That's just going to be like a keep warm station if I need it. And I'm going to start by toasting this bun that I have some butter on. I also have a couple pieces of bacon here that are left over that I'm going to warm up. Bun looks good. Looks real good. Just going to give that bacon a quick flip. All right, my bacon looks good. We're going to get that off. And it's now time to smash some ground brisket. I've got some beautiful ground brisket patties here. My guy Mason across the street at the grocery store did this for me. I think he ground it a little finer than I wanted, but it's going to work out good. I just want to get these all on here and give them a few seconds. By the way, this video collaboration is a brisket collaboration, but I told the guys I wouldn't have time to film like a whole 12 or 14 or 16 hour brisket, so I opted to go this route. They were okay with it. And honestly, I've been wanting to do this for a long time, so I'm pretty excited about this. Okay, let's get these smashed. Get those edges smashed down nicely. Next. I'm going to hit these up with some Barnyard Magic from my guy over at Saucy Bottom Barbecue. Joe, thanks for always sending stuff out to me. This stuff is so good, and I know it says Barnyard Magic. It makes you think poultry, but it is good on every single thing you put it on. Salt, pepper, garlic, really nice peppery flavor, especially the pepper. I have no idea what kind of crust I'm going to get on these. I've never done this with brisket before. It may have been ground too fine, so we're going to find out here in a second. This is almost ready to flip. All right, here we go. Ooh, that looks good, boy. Oh, yeah. Not bad at all. There is some nice crust on there. All right, let's get some cheddar cheese on these. Create a little bit of steam to melt that cheese. What I'm noticing is a very beefy smell from this brisket, so this is different from ground beef. I mean, it just smells better. I don't know how to describe it. You got to give it a try and you'll know what I'm saying. So this looks good to me. It's time to build this burger. So we're going to start with our bottom bun, and I've got a little bit of this Saucy Bottom barbecue sauce here. We're just going to put a few dribbles on this bottom bun. Okay. Patty 1. Patty 2. Oh man, that's beautiful. Just want to lay my bacon on here. Some nice pickled red onion. Pickled jalapeno. I like a lot of jalapenos on my burger. Now a little bit more of this barbecue sauce. We're gonna make this nice and messy. I love this stuff. It's one of my favorite, honestly. Joe does a great job with this stuff. Okay, now the crown. This thing is a work of art. I'm going to get a couple photos and then we're going to cut this in half and do a taste test. Look at that thing. That is absolutely incredible. Alright, here we go. Cheers, everybody. Cheers to all the channels. Hope you guys check them out. I cannot wait for this. Cheers. Oh my god. I need a napkin or something. Alright, I'm going to go on record and say that's one of the top 5 burgers I've ever made. That brisket has a much beefier flavor than when you go with like ground beef or ground chuck. I love the cheddar cheese, but it's like not the star of the show. Those pickled onions, those pickled jalapenos, they really sort of provide some good crunch and some good contrasting flavors. And that barbecue sauce, that just goes with that brisket perfectly. So, wow, this was amazing. I'm glad I did this video. I'm glad I made time to do this because if nothing else, this taste test was worth it. Look, everybody, please leave me a comment below. I would really appreciate it. Comments and likes, they really help the channel. And thanks for hanging out with me today as always. I truly appreciate it. I love all you guys, everyone that supported me. It's been almost 5 years I've been doing this now, so I don't want to ramble too long. Take care. Until next time, I'll see you on the next episode.